Hello world, today is Monday, March 30th, 2026. It's 4:33 p.m. and this is another vlog, a 10 minutes raw unedited talk about what is top of mind. So, yesterday I completed a hackathon for the WorldCoin and Coinbase AI Agentic Economy hackathon, and it's like pretty happy with like just pushing it further and launching it. So this is a public journal and talk about like the key ideas or the things that happen to me and that I find are really interesting and important. So I think the most interesting thing I've been thinking about recently is like that intersection of technology and creativity, and it's about like Steve Jobs, like understanding really him, how it's like technology, like he really talked about this like 80s was like the computer and the population going on a first date, and it's like you really want to bring this technology to the population, and like it's like a concrete objective mission like that he's clear about, then he's like repeating every day, this is what we're here for. And he was just being at the right place at the right time. And what it means is like you bring the tool to as many people as possible so that they can relate to it, and so that they have a good experience using it, so they will come back and use it again and again and again. And so this is the important part about understanding Steve Jobs and understanding Apple, and understanding how you can generate the most value at the intersection of technology and liberal arts. This is the clarity. This is like having if you're clear on this, and if you organize your life on this, you will make a dent in the universe. You will have a lot of success. So this is the most important thing that I'm really like I'm going to keep talking about, and I'm going to keep talking about, and I think I talked about this at the last vlog, and it's about how what did I talk about? I talked about the like agentic open claw that becomes an extension of yourself. And like this is going to happen, like people are going to use agents as an extension of your exocortex, extension of your mind, the extension of your neocortex, and it's going to be the exocortex, and that's where you will have your personal AI infrastructure. That's where you will have all your CRM, your knowledge base, your connections with all of your communications. Now, if I can just bring that to market and like just be the one that is able to refine that vision and repeat it, and if I can just bring that out. And so I think that was the key idea from my last vlog, and that it's about having a clear goal, a vision that you will keep coming back to. And the product is like a manifestation of that. It's like the design or the architecture, the UI and the UX, and the product architecture, the what it does, the back end, front end. That's how it's going to manifest. And today I sat down and talked with a friend that's like designing a product, and I'm like watching how a designer works, and to me that's just unlocking a whole new map, and I feel like that's so important to be conscious of that, unlocking a map of design and like design thinking, how a user experiences an app, and thinking and talking about understanding how people use apps, and like bringing more conversation discussions into the space is so important, so valuable for me. So that's what I'm really hear about, and that's what I'm really excited about. So today, that's what I'm talking about. Like, I kind of am feeling overwhelmed. Like, there's so much potential, so many things to build and create. But the most important thing is to be clear about the goal, be clear about like what you want to accomplish, be clear about what your motivations are, and then solve for all the pieces in between. So so that's I'm feeling so that's been top of mind. Yeah, I usually talk about what is like mm, yeah. And so what else is top of mind? I just think like building your personal AI infrastructure with your AI that is like has your goals and context about your knowledge base, all your contacts, like, and it's proactive. That's the future. That's the most exciting thing. And like if I can just keep talking about that and be like resolved to make that happen, that's gonna bring so much that's gonna cause so much progress. And then break down the process into the parts and set goals and systematize it and see how I can build AI like workflows to like make this happen. So that's been top of mind. I've been doing the Claude Code Arc certification. Last Sunday there was yesterday was Open Claw meetup. I took a drone video today. That's exciting. So yeah, this vlog is really about like capturing the day-to-day life, which is like amazing. And I think I will like be able to feed this into my AI and have a good all this data about how I work and what I think about and what I work on. So that's what I'm thinking. Anyway, that's my vlog for today, and ending it here. And as always, sending you good thoughts, frequencies, and vibrations. At the end, may you be free from suffering. Peace. And last thought, context engineering. It all comes down to context engineering. We as humans, we do that just as much as AI agents. So that's it. Peace.